Today it's a tag video and I am happy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover and a Longchandiste. Welcome to my channel. Bienvenue. Today's video is a tag video. I was tagged by the amazing Aaryn from the Handbagger's Wife. Please have a look at her channel and subscribe. She's got an amazing collection and she's a coach expert. Aaryn launched the tag concerning all the bags we have in our wardrobe but we never use. And in fact, it's normally something that never happens to me when I buy a bag the day after or 2 days after I use it. But this year, for the very first time in my life, I have experienced this. So right now, I'm going to show you the bags I've bought, but never used. This is, like you can read, a bag from the French brand Marc Douglas. Marc Douglas is not a French name at all, but it's like that. Just a few words about the brand. The brand exists since 1944. It's a French brand and it became very famous because at the very beginning they produced a aviator bomber jacket in leather and it was such a success, to tell you. Then they worked for the high luxury industry and now it's becoming less famous, but in France it's still an institution and they still produce leather item of good quality. Here is a bag. I will show you this later. And I unbox and I explain you. Look. It still has a tag. It's like when I bought it. And here it is in all her glory. The bag is called Rossini Procida. The color is black. It exists in several colors: yellow, red, gray, and brown. Yes, there's a brown version. So as you can tell, it's a bag with a chain and it's in grain leather, Italian leather. And to open it, there's the logo. It's written, you can see, Marc Douglas. You just have to push this and it's open. And inside, okay, I tell you, I didn't use it. So inside you got one main compartment, you've got two flap pockets. This one, you see, and you've got a zip pocket here. Up. Yes, it's quite spacious. And as you can see here, it's like satin and it's written Marc Douglas everywhere. So that's the inside. So it's a normal size bag. It's not a tiny bag. And behind you've got a pocket with a button pressure, you can see. And here the chain, it's gold hardware. And you have this piece of leather. So you can wear it on your shoulder like this, or even crossbody. You can see. So, little story about this bag. I am living in the south of France in Provence and I am making my shopping between Avignon and Aix-en-Provence. And you have to know that in Avignon, a city near Avignon, there's a huge commercial area with an amazing mall. And in this mall, there's a bag shop and they sell several brands like Marc Douglas, Kipling, whatsoever. Not Longchamp, but just. And so the story, last summer, you hear me well, last summer, I went to this commercial area and I went in this boutique and then I saw this little guy. You know, I'm not a gold hardware fan, but I love the leather. The leather is really soft and it's a pleasure to touch. And I was quite amazed that the black bag was on sale because it was during the summer sales. I've got no bag with chain, so I bought this one and then I bought my brioche later. And yes, I quite like it. I really quite like it. So it's different. And what can I say more? So yes, the ticket, the 8 July. And I paid for this bag, all in leather, 143 euro. And in fact, the bag retails for 239 euro. So quite a bargain. And yes, I could not resist. Why I have not used this bag yet? It's a winter bag for me. I do not see myself where I am living wearing such a bag. So I bought it during the summer sale and I put it in my wardrobe, and at the moment I do not have any occasion to wear it. It's an everyday bag for me. It's an everyday bag, but I don't know. But now when I see this beauty, I will wear it for sure. So that was my tag video. Please have a look because Aaryn tagged a lot of other YouTubers. That's why I will not tag anybody, but feel free to do the tag video if you are not mentioned in Aaryn's video. Feel free to do it. If you have any question about this bag or the brand Mac Douglas, do not hesitate to comment below. Je vous en prie, les francophones, n'hésitez pas à m'écrire s'il y a quoi que ce soit qui vous a échappé à propos de ce sac. And, well, if you love bags, you're at the right place. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye les amis.